So what do you want me to do?
If it's under $1,000, I don't know if the Tennessee State Patrol will write a report for anything under $1,000.
To me, it's less than threshold. I mean, it's all up to you again. I mean, if you agree to do the report after you've already looked, to me, it looks exactly like the other one on that side. Because you can be able to move this. This is moving.
Yeah.
You know, if you go in and sit down there to see if you can be able to see anybody behind you. But I don't see any physical damage to the mirror. Remember that you played with it a little bit down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so now you can go ahead and adjust it to where you
Put it in the big. I just don't want to fall off there. Vibrate that hip or something.
It's really good, you know.
Damn. It's probably going to vibrate that hip, the hip. It was a nice one.
You can go the other side and compare the other. I mean, I don't see any damage to your car. Unless you see any other one. Roy, I'm going to be doing level 3 inspection on your car.
Damn.
It is what it is. Fucking great.